look awake, and it just makes your under eyes just look bright, and just those areas are just very highlighted. So highly recommend. Try it and let me know what y'all think. And then I use Fit Me's finishing powder under my eyes. I use a finishing powder that is like close to my complexion. I don't use a really light finishing powder because it makes your makeup do like the outer line of my eyebrows. I use like a lighter shade, and then I use a shade that is like my complexion. For the lighter shade, I put it under my eyebrows to highlight like the bottom of my eyebrows, so it kind of gives like that highlighted effect. And then on the top, I apply the shade that's like my complexion, but I wipe it off with, a paper towel like I just showed you. And then I do the outer, just like how I'm showing you right now. Like the corner, I use the lighter shade, and then like on your real lashes and your fake lashes so that it all blends in perfectly and it looks more natural, and also apply it on the bottom lashes. And that's literally it, guys. So I'm about to go apply some lip gloss and do my hair, and I'll come back, okay? So this is my makeup. This is typically what I do, like, literally every single day. I mean, like, you could wear this look anywhere, though, like, honestly. So I thought I'd share. If you guys like makeup videos, then I will definitely do a lot more makeup videos. But, you know, this is just me just doing my first little beginner friendly type of thing and see how well it does. And then if you guys like it, I'll do more. Hey guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy the makeup tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. It helps me out a lot so it can reach more people. Of course, put your bell notifications on. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting and being so kind to me. I appreciate you guys so much. All right guys, bye.